So, what's up guys? Xgen Gaming here. So, predict naman tayo ng games. Mavericks versus New Orleans Pelicans. So, let's go! Mavericks, 30 wins, 26 loss, 8 in the West. So, 8 seed sila. Pelicans, 13 wins, 42 loss. Pag 15 sila sa West, huling-huli sila. So, ayan, kulelat ang Pelicans. So, Friday, February 21, 2025, 7:30 p.m. Eastern Time, which is 8:30 a.m. February 2022, 2025 in Manila. So, American Airlines Center, Dallas, Texas ang laban. So, let's give the home court advantage on Dallas. So, spread, Mavericks -6, Pelicans +6, over and under 237. So, health and availability naman tayo mga boss. For the Mavericks, Caleb Martin out, Daniel Gafford out, Klay Thompson day to day, Derek Lively out, Anthony Davis out, Dwight Powell out, PJ Washington questionable. So ayan, napakarami ng injured players sa Mavericks. So for the Pelicans naman, their health and availability, Herbert Jones out, Zion Williamson day to day. Pakiramdam ko lalaro si Zion dito sa laban na to kasi yung habang yung pahinga nila 1 week. DeJounte Murray out, Brandon Boston out, Yves Messi out, questionable. So that's the list on injuries on Pelicans. So for me, medyo nakakalamang pa rin dito yung Pelicans sa health and availability kasi konti lang yung kanilang injured mga kalaro, si Jose Alvarado. So ayan, dito naman tayo sa momentum. New Orleans Pelicans had suffered 7 consecutive road losses. So ayan, diretso pito. The Pelicans have win 1 and 9 losses in the past 10 games. So last 10 games nila, isa lang na panalo nila. Yun yung sa Kings, panalo tayo doon, di ba? Dallas Mavericks have enjoyed back-to-back wins, most recently beating Miami 118-113. So close yung laban sa Miami. The Mavs beat the Pelicans when the team last met. It was a 137-136 scoreline at Smoothie King Center. So dikit lang. The Mavs have won 6 and lost 4 of their last 10 contests. So ayan guys, yun yung mga information na kailangan natin malaman. So ayan, na tayo, diretso na tayo sa pick natin, huwag na natin patagalin. So for me, Pelicans +6, why Pelicans +6? So kita naman natin yung mga laban nila, dikit lang. Tapos considering na ang daming injured dun sa Dallas, pakiramdam ko makakadikit talaga yung Pelicans dito, lalo kung lalaro si Zion Williamson. So nakita ko nung last game, medyo nakaka-recover na si Zion, nanalo na sila dun sa Kings. In my opinion, talagang makakadikit sila ngayon. Medyo gumaganda na yung galawan nila. So nakaka-recover na yung Pelicans, kaso huli na lahat, hindi na sila papasok sa playoffs. Pero for me, Pelicans +6. So manalo man yung Dallas dito, pakiramdam ko dikit talaga kasi ang dami ng injured players nila. Kumbaga hindi sila full force, wala silang sentro. So yun lang guys. Kung nagugustuhan nyo yung mga pinaggagawa natin dito, so please like and subscribe our channel para updated kayo lagi sa mga ipopost natin. Sa special reminders na rin, wag natin ibomba sa sports betting or kahit ano sugal yung natin, mga pambayad ng bills natin. Bills muna bago bomba. Yun lang guys, thank you.